In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your subscription in Todoist. If you've been using the free version of Todoist and you're ready to unlock more powerful features, upgrading your subscription is a quick process. I'll walk you through it step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to look for on the screen. First, open Todoist in your web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. You should see your Today view with your tasks listed in the main area. At the top left of the page, look for your profile icon. This might be a small circle with your initials or an image, depending on whether you've added a profile picture. Move your mouse to that area and click on the profile icon. This opens a small drop-down menu that gives you access to your personal account options. From this drop-down, look for the option labeled Settings. This is where Todoist keeps most of the controls for your account, notifications, and subscription details. Go ahead and click on Settings. When you do, a new settings window or panel will appear, usually in the center of the screen or as a sidebar, depending on the version of the interface you're using. Inside the settings area, you'll see several sections or tabs, such as Account, General, Themes, or similar options. What you want to find here is the section labeled Subscription. This is the place where Todoist shows information about your current plan, your billing details, and any options to upgrade. Click on Subscription to open that section. Once you're there, Todoist will display your current plan status, for example, whether you're on the free version or already on a paid plan. From this screen, you'll be able to see the available upgrade options, compare features, and proceed with upgrading when you're ready. Even though the actual payment and plan selection aren't covered in these steps, reaching the subscription section is the key starting point. From there, Todoist will guide you through choosing your plan, confirming your payment details, and completing the upgrade. And that's it. By clicking your profile icon, opening settings, and selecting subscription, you're exactly where you need to be to upgrade your Todoist subscription and take advantage of the premium features designed to make task management even smoother.